bottom trawling. They've had support from pop stars and celebrity chefs, but the fishing industry has warned the action could cost lives and the government says it's illegal. Our Chief Environment Correspondent Justin Rowlatt reports.
Greenpeace says the idea is to create a defensive barrier in what is already World War I tank driver's mask, and they would be worn all this chainmail over the face, jolly uncomfortable.
I'll let you go, we haven't got long, but I love to think of you on your allotment. I remember last time you were on the show, you still...
It wasn't the same.
Don't ding!
Don't ding!
For entries. For rules and privacy policy, go to channel5.com/win.
Bookshop misers!
Of this committee, but I've watched most of them for obvious reasons. Say in this committee's defence, I haven't seen that. Maybe the government agency responsible for overseeing the UK's marine environment, it orders Greenpeace to...
Okay, let's look at Soldier.
Yeah, gas bath.
It's a criminal offence contrary to
The government says it's investigating Greenpeace's activity may take legal action. Laying boulders on the seabed could have deadly consequences, say some in the fishing industry.
But this is illegal, what they're doing.
This disqualifying, we're not going to win out today, but that's what happens in...
Of overturning the vessel and losing the whole crew.
The government says it is